And as it is in my pants here, you can't see it.
I would not even know.
And it's lightweight. I barely know that it's on. And in the event that I need to use this firearm, we clear our concealment garment. We use our gun here, get it on target, and it's we'll do what we need to do with it. It's very smooth, very easy to operate. And one of the points of operation, which is really nice, is this thumb safety. So this is a single action firearm. And in order to give you the choice of how you want to carry it, they put an external safety lever on here. And it is very important to note that this safety lever is incredibly ergonomic. So I am going to put the gun on safe. We are going to reholster. And you will notice that carrying it on safe and then removing the safety is just part of my draw stroke. That operating the safety lever on this gun in absolutely positively no way slows down my ability to defend myself and my loved ones in a situation in which I use in which I need lethal force.
So I don't know if during that whole really educating lesson anybody noticed Billy's skin, but here on his side he has